Hi everyone, welcome back to TechFix Method. In this video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook search history completely. Step by step, it is super easily. So watch till the end and do not forget like, share and subscribe for more Facebook tips. First of all, you open the Facebook app and then here you click the side three line option. Here you can see the settings and privacy option, so click on it. Then here you can see the settings option, so click on it. After click it, here you can see the activity log option, so click on it. Then here you can see the search history, so click on it. Then here you can see the clear searches option, so click on it. Clear searches, simple click on it. After 1 minute you can see here no items, so this is the method. Here you can see no item, so I again open the Facebook app. Here you can see I click the search option. Then here you can see the Facebook search history is deleted completely. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more Facebook tips and privacy tricks.